Hello everyone, and welcome back to another exciting video of the Sublimation Focus. In today's video, we'll be taking an in-depth look at the best 3D printers for teenagers on the market. The output of a 3D printer can be anything from trinkets to functional tools, and they make for a fantastic hobby that teaches the basics of engineering and design. We all know that a quality printer can make or break an artist's career, which is why it's essential to choose the right one. To help you, we've rounded up some of the top-rated 3D printers today. This 3D printer can be used in any condition, whether you are a professional or just starting. We'll review each printer's features and discuss what makes them perfect for teenagers. For your convenience, we have also included the link to each 3D printer in the description box below so you can purchase them without the hassle. The best thing is that these provided links are updated daily to ensure you get the best deals in town. So without further ado, let's dive into our list. Number 1 is AnkerMake M5 3D printer. Hey there, innovative teenagers! Are you ready to embark on an epic 3D printing adventure? Hold tight because the mind-blowing AnkerMake M5 3D printer will take your imagination to a new level. Brace yourselves for an extraordinary printing experience packed with cutting-edge features and unparalleled awesomeness. Let's kick things off with speed. The M5 is equipped with the mind-blowing Power Boost 2.0, a turbocharged powerhouse that will have your prints whizzing out at double the speed and acceleration without compromising on that impeccable print quality you crave. Say goodbye to waiting around and hello to instant gratification. But it's not just about speed, it's also about nailing those intricate details. With the M5's ultra-direct extruder and integrated die-cast aluminum alloy structure, you'll achieve mind-boggling precision down to a jaw-dropping 0.1 millimeters. Your prints will be so precise they'll practically leap off the build plate and into reality. Are you worried about unexpected errors ruining your masterpiece? Fear not, young artist! The M5 boasts a genius error detection system that calculates a perfect printing plan and utilizes an integrated intelligent camera to keep a watchful eye on every step. So if you want to buy the fast and reliable 3D printer, check out the link in the description box.